Welcome to Brain Attainment, your hub of enlightening content that expands the mind. Brain Attainment thrives on quenching the thirst of curious minds and health enthusiasts alike with knowledge-packed content. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a health trend that's been making waves across the globe. We're talking about intermittent fasting, a dietary pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. So, prepare to embark on a journey of discovery as we dive deep into the benefits of intermittent fasting, a health trend that has taken the world by storm. Intermittent fasting, a term that has become increasingly popular in the health and fitness world. But what exactly is it? Let's dive right in. Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike dieting, which restricts what you eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat. This eating pattern can take on several forms, but the most common ones include the 16-8 method, the 5-2 method, and the eat-stop-eat method. The 16-8 method involves fasting every day for 14 to 16 hours and limiting your daily eating window to 8 to 10 hours. During the eating window, you can fit in 2, 3, or more meals. Then we have the 5-2 method. This involves eating normally for 5 days of the week, then restricting your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for 2 days. The eat-stop-eat method involves a 24-hour fast once or twice a week. Now, how does this work in the body? Well, when you fast, several things happen in your body on the cellular and molecular level. For example, your body adjusts hormone levels to make stored body fat more accessible. Your cells also initiate important repair processes and change the expression of genes. So, intermittent fasting is more than just a trendy fad. It's a way to harness your body's natural processes to improve your health. This phenomenon isn't just a fad, it's backed by science. And we're here to explore that. Intermittent fasting goes beyond skipping meals. It's a calculated approach that impacts your body's biology. It's a lifestyle practice that manipulates the timing of eating, alternating between periods of eating and fasting. But what exactly happens inside your body during this process? When you fast, you're not merely abstaining from food, you're actually triggering a host of biological mechanisms that can lead to significant health benefits. Let's delve into the science of it. During a fast, your body goes through several stages. For the first 8 to 12 hours, your body is in a fed state, burning through the glucose from your last meal. After this period, you enter the fasted state where your body starts to burn fat for energy. This is due to a process called lipolysis, which is the breakdown of fats in your body. Another significant change that occurs during intermittent fasting is the alteration in hormone levels. Insulin, the hormone responsible for storing sugar in cells, decreases during fasting. This leads to lower blood sugar levels, which prompts your body to start burning fat. Growth hormone levels also increase during a fast. This hormone aids in muscle growth and fat loss. It's a beneficial change for those looking to improve body composition. Intermittent fasting also triggers a process known as autophagy. This is your body's natural recycling system, where damaged cells are broken down and used for energy or to create new cells. Autophagy is crucial for maintaining healthy cells and combating diseases like cancer. Lastly, intermittent fasting can also have a profound effect on your brain. It can boost the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. This protein supports the survival of existing neurons and encourages the growth of new ones. Indeed, the human body is a complex system, and intermittent fasting taps into its natural rhythm. It's not just about weight loss or caloric restriction. It's about understanding how our bodies function and how we can use that knowledge to improve our health and well-being. The question on your mind might be, why should I consider intermittent fasting? Well, let's delve into the myriad of health benefits this lifestyle change can bring about. Firstly, intermittent fasting has been shown to aid in weight loss. When you're in a fasted state, your body turns to its fat stores for energy. This shift can result in weight loss, as your body is essentially burning fat for fuel. Moreover, by confining your eating to a specific window of time, you're likely to consume fewer calories overall, which can also contribute to weight loss. Beyond weight loss, intermittent fasting can also enhance your body's metabolic functions. It can increase insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for managing blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Moreover, it can also boost your metabolic rate, helping you burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. Now let's talk about mental clarity. You might be surprised to learn that intermittent fasting can sharpen your mind. This is because during a fast, your body produces ketones, a type of fuel that some studies suggest can enhance brain function. The increased focus and concentration that come along can be a considerable advantage in your daily life. Reduced inflammation is another significant benefit of intermittent fasting. Chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health issues, from heart disease to cancer. Research shows that fasting can help reduce the levels of inflammation in the body, thereby potentially reducing the risk of these ailments. Then there's longevity. Yes, you heard that right. Intermittent fasting could help you live a longer, healthier life. This is because fasting triggers a process called autophagy, where your cells clean out and recycle waste products. Autophagy is associated with a decreased risk of disease and increased lifespan. Lastly, intermittent fasting can improve your relationship with food. It can help you become more mindful of your eating habits and break the cycle of mindless eating. This can lead to healthier food choices and a more balanced approach to nutrition. But let's not forget, the benefits of intermittent fasting extend beyond the physical. The mental clarity and focus can lead to improved productivity and an overall sense of well-being. Moreover, the discipline and self-control required can boost your confidence and self-esteem. These benefits are not just anecdotal. They're backed by a growing body of scientific research, making intermittent fasting a credible and effective approach to health and well-being. The benefits are not just physical, but mental too, making intermittent fasting a holistic health approach. While intermittent fasting has its benefits, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it needs to be used appropriately and responsibly. It's essential to remember that our bodies are as unique as our fingerprints, and thus, what works for one might not work for another. First and foremost, it's crucial to listen to your body. If you're feeling weak, dizzy, or overly hungry during your fasting periods, it might be a sign that this method is not for you. Your well-being should always take precedence over any diet or health trend. Moreover, intermittent fasting is not recommended for everyone. Pregnant women, individuals with a history of eating disorders, those with diabetes or blood sugar issues, and individuals under 18 should avoid intermittent fasting. The same goes for individuals who are underweight or have certain medical conditions. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new dietary regimen. Even for those who are good candidates for intermittent fasting, it's important to approach it in a healthy way. This is not a free pass to binge during your eating periods. The quality of what you eat matters just as much as when you eat. Remember, intermittent fasting is about creating a balance. It's not about deprivation or starvation. It's about giving your body the time to rest and rejuvenate. Hydration is key during fasting periods. Water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea can be your best friends. Lastly, ease into it. Start with smaller fasting periods and gradually increase them as your body gets accustomed to this new rhythm. This is not a race, and there's no finish line to cross. It's all about creating a lifestyle that serves your body and your health. Remember, any change in diet should be approached responsibly and ideally under professional guidance. The goal is to nourish your body, not to punish it. After all, health is wealth, and you only get one body in this lifetime, so treat it with the love and respect it deserves. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the benefits of intermittent fasting. We've journeyed through understanding what intermittent fasting is, a pattern of eating that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. We've delved into the science behind it, revealing how it can trigger autophagy, a process where our body cleans out damaged cells and promotes weight loss. We've also explored the numerous health benefits of this practice, from improving heart health and mental clarity to potentially extending lifespan. Of course, we also took a moment to consider the precautions and considerations before embarking on this eating pattern. As with any lifestyle change, it's essential to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional. This practice isn't for everyone, but for some, it could be a game changer. Thank you for tuning in to Brain Attainment. If you found value in this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.